What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, the judgment that everybody had been waiting for is finally here, and Julius Malema has been found guilty of discharging a rifle during an EFF rally. So, this conviction it relates to the breaches of the Firearms Control Act. So, Julius Malema has been found guilty. He has been convicted in that 2018 firearms case. That is the ruling that everybody had been calling for and saying it's taking a lot of time. Why is the judge not delivering a ruling? And it is finally here. Malema is guilty. But surprisingly, his bodyguard that he was with, who was being charged for possession of a firearm illegally, has been found to be not guilty. So that is the ruling that everybody had been waiting for. Now, in terms of the reactions from the general public, I've been seeing Nota. He responded and said, you know what, Malema is guilty, lock him up. So he definitely wants, Julius Malema to be locked up. So the likes of Kayton McKenzie, obviously, they are definitely celebrating out there. So there are two separate things happening here. Malema has been found guilty, but he hasn't been sentenced yet. So we are yet to hear how many years Julius Malema is going to be getting, whether they are going to be suspended, whether he's going to just serve community sentence. It's going to be occurring. So just, I think it's next year, but he has been found guilty. I'll catch you guys on the next one.